I'm a scientist myself, and I actually think the really big problem in science is not that we don't have enough of it. I think like there's more science now, more research being conducted, more papers being written than ever before, right? Partly as a result of increasing funding from government sources and so on and so forth. So not having enough science is not the problem. It's more that certain types of science are not getting done, and a lot of science is just really shitty, right? So how do you actually tell apart what is good science and what is bad science, right? So just calling something science doesn't make it science and doesn't make it good science. And even if it gets published in a shiny journal like Nature or Science, doesn't really mean that it's true and it replicates, right? So these are really big problems in science. And I think the only way around that is complete transparency about all phases of the research project, and to have independent, basically panels of experts, scientific experts in each field, literally the best of each field, who are going to be in charge of providing evaluation services, peer review, and badges and selecting the best work. And that needs to be done by the absolute top experts in the field, and they need to be rewarded for actually doing these validation services. And again, this is something that we're working on. Probably is going to be later this year or early next year that we're going to launch what we call ARCs, or autonomous research communities. And that's going to be basically a software kit for scientists to form DAOs, where ideally we want to have the best scientists in each field coming together in a DAO to perform these scientific validation services and to basically select the best work in their field. And I think really that's, in my opinion, that's probably the best thing we can do for making science absolutely transparent, publicly accessible, and to weed out the good from the bad.